Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and plant some Luffa Gourd seeds and I'm gonna produce a little trench right here, and then I'm gonna fill it a little bit with mulch, put the seeds on top, and then put a lot of mulch on top. All right, there's the trench. All right. Now these strings here, this is like a really cheap trellising system. So what's going to happen is the Luffa Gourd vine will travel and grab onto these strings. So let's go ahead and get that first layer of mulch in. Alright, that first little layer's in. You'll see these eggshells that I put in with the mulch. Just crushed up eggshells. Supposed to help with the root boring nematode to keep the population down. So I'm not sure that the Luffa Gourd vine even has an issue when it comes to root boring nematodes, but this is just a precautionary measure. So let's get the seeds in the ground now. Alright, those seeds are now in the ground. I'm going to put some sand on them and then put mulch on top of that. No rhyme or reason, just kind of evenly spaced them apart. That's it. Okay, seeds are covered with the original sand from the little trench here. Now let's put the mulch on. Alright, now I've just put the mulch on the very top, and I'm going to water this in, and hopefully in a few days we'll see some sprouts. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. And stay tuned, because I'm going to keep you updated on the progress of these Luffa Gourds throughout this summer. Have a good day.